Hello, good morning, no? So, thank you kasi overtime na. Joke lang. So, sabi ko, ayaw kong magpahuli, no? Gusto ko ako yung maunang magsalita kasi nakaka-pressure. So, hindi talaga na tupad yung gusto ko. Ako yung huli. So, may English na sila ngayon lahat. So, by the way, no? I am Dodson. I am a sales representative for 7 years and building the business together with my beautiful wife, Liza. Liza is an event decorator. We are from Kidapawan City. And we have 3 children. And because sa aming children, okay lang kasi wala naman yung speaker natin. Pero we need to speak Tagalog and Bisaya. So, we're doing best. So, dahil sa mga anak namin, no, yun ang talagang nagbigay sa amin ng strength to do this business, no, to build this business. Sabi nga ni Lisa minsan, Be lang yung tawagan namin. Ikaw talaga yung driver sa business. Sabi ko, sige, kung ako yung driver, ikaw naman yung VIP passenger ko. Kasi kung wala siya, there's no trip at all. No? So, again, no, thank you so much to my wife because siya yung nagbibigay ng strength sa akin every day. No? Kasi our journey in our business was not easy at all because there's a lot of challenges along the way, but when we learn that perseverance and faith will can turn obstacles into a stepping stone. No? So, I would like to take this opportunity, no, to say thank you to our mentors. No? Thank you so much because pinakita niyo sa amin na yung success in this business is predictable, no? Doable. Kung meron lang, kasi meron pero, no? We need to do the work, no? Sabi nga nila, no? You have dream. So kung kaya mong mag-dream, kaya mo rin gawin, no? Make it come true. So we need to work. So if consistent lang na mag-attend all the meetings, no? So we are very, very sure ni Lisa na success is possible, no? Kasi success na sa amin ni Lisa is yung para sa akin success is to give, no? To give the better life, no? Gusto ko mabigyan sila ng better life. Kasi say about sa mga name, no? We are just an ordinary person, but have an extraordinary dream in life. So, dito lang na namin nakita na aside sa good life, meron pala talaga better life. No? So, yun yung gusto namin. Gusto kong ibigay sa kanya. Kasi, gusto kong paiyakin siya. Joke lang yun, no? But, yun talaga yung totoo kasi nung pinasok na namin yung married life, hindi ko talaga, yung mga lagi, no? Mga padre di pamilya. So, wala yun, hindi ko talaga ini-expect, no, na pwede ko palang, kaya ko palang dalagin si Risa sa Boracay. Sus, unsa bang na, sa ka-Japan ko, no? Isa kayo mag-imagine. Free of charge. So, wow, no? Do this business, possible yun siya. And siguro sa katungkang kung unsa may before, through when we use the tools, no, that given by Network 21, makaingon yun na mo, our life will never be the same again. No? So, that's all. Thank you. Kay Murang Kinilig yung mahuman. Thank you so much.
Well, let's give them a round of applause. Mayor